So in order to do this, you want to have the counting switched off on the metronome. I usually have it enabled for record and play, but you want it switched off on the count in. So I'll take off the global and drop my sequence to like 20. And I'll put the note repeat on, and I'll select like 64ths. Now I want to do one chord per bar. So I'm going to take the playhead and put it right at the start, the first bar. That's where my first chord is going to be. This is my first chord, and because I've got the note repeat on, as if it's arpeggiating it, right? Whenever I hit play, it's going to interrupt whatever note it's on, and it's going to start recording and play the first note. So that's the first chord, and now I'm going to scroll to the second bar. I usually check them, just to check how many notes there are, so I know how long I need to hold it down. 3 notes, 4 notes, 5 notes, or whatever. This is a 4-note chord. Hold down the button. I got my 4 notes again. Scroll over to the next point. This is the next chord. Got it. Scroll to the 4th one, the last chord. Now I got all my chords. And I go in and select every note. Shift off of here, go to edit end. Roll them out as far as they'll go. Last thing to do, put this back onto global, so we're back at 90 beats a minute, and the order the notes strum depends on the order that they were assigned when they were being created into a chord progression. So this is 1/64th, which is the quickest that you have, the shortest interval that you have on the note repeat. If you wanted a quicker one than that, you could have to double speed the events, which is going to half the amount of time between the starts of each note. So you're going to have to nudge them over. So on the next video, I'll show you how I strum live and then lengthen them all out again. Now you have a faster strum. If you want it faster still, you can repeat that process. I double up the bars a couple of times, so now I've got a 16-bar sequence of chords. Then I will do some humanizing. I take this to, the most I do is 8, usually 6. And then on this I'll either do a -1 or a +1, no more than that. I will not humanize the note length. I do the velocity, but 8% maximum. So now we've got the 16. A little bit of humanizing.